Chapter 13, The Rise of a Mass Democracy. Introduction.
In this lecture, you will learn about the rise of mass democracy in America. The country had been created. Americans had twice fought for their right to exist in the community of nations, and then had come together in a celebratory era of good feelings which, though brief, united public sentiment in a burst of national exuberance. Now, they had to learn how to actually make their innovative grassroots political system work, learn how to use it to solve problems on a national scale. You will learn how and why political parties were created to accomplish this, though the Founding Fathers ardently wanted to avoid them, and though the framers of the Constitution had actually written the document in a way that they assumed would make parties unnecessary. You will learn why, as time went on, political parties actually acquired the ability to make governing more efficient and effective, not less, though they also had the potential, at the same time, to hobble the democratic process itself. You will learn about the many new political parties which sprang into being in the fertile soil of democratic debate when parties did appear, and you will observe that debate engaged in with unprecedented force and vigor in the pivotal elections of 1824 and 1828, as Americans decided just how democratic they wanted their governing institutions to be. You will embark with Andrew Jackson on a journey into the Jacksonian era, as he redrew and enlarged the boundaries of political participation to include new constituencies of voters, while at the same time he tried to cut out old constituencies, which he thought represented special interests. You will discover how well the interests of the nation as a whole were served by Jackson's zealous pursuit of these goals, and why his attempt to create a new mass democracy in the country created as much political backlash as it did public benefit. By 1836, at the end of Jackson's second term, both the purpose and the character of political parties and the election and electioneering processes they managed had changed in ways that you will recognize as thoroughly modern. For better and for worse, Jackson's attempt to broaden the democratic process had repercussions that still reverberate today. Did Jackson's broadening of American democracy help solve the country's problems and further the national interest? Does it do so today, in an increasingly complex and conflicted world where the country has global responsibilities? This lecture will help you answer these questions.